Hi, Gareth from DPA here. I just wanted to quickly show you the Discover AES Rackmount BMS. Just a few comments on how easy it is to change and the quality of it. So this is a replacement BMS I've got here. And you can see that the BMS is, you're replacing the entire front panel instead of just taking out a circuit. You can see it's got these nice big BYD contactors on the negative input, as well as the 2-pole breaker we've got over here. And you compare that to this other brand BMS, a well-known battery over here, and you can see that they're just controlling the negative electronically. They don't have actual physical contactors. And the general level of the components in the Discover BMS is really high as well. Swapping it over is really easy. Like I said, you're just replacing this entire panel, so you just take the screws off the top here, the bottom is the same, and off the side, and it just pulls out, and then you're just replacing these connectors that we've got along here. You've got the positive connector there, a negative connector there, and that's all there is to it. There's a video from Discover which goes into a lot more detail, which I'll post a link to as well.